Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for all the worrying souls out there. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "Everything will work out in the end. You don't need to know how, you just have to trust that it will." End quote. You see, my friends, the world can feel like a whirlwind of uncertainty, a chaotic dance of events that just leaves us grasping for answers. We fret over the unknown, our minds spinning with the what ifs and the how will I's. But among the storm, there exists a quiet truth, a whisper of assurance that resonates within our souls. Everything will work out in the end, my friends. It's not a promise of an easy path, nor is it a guarantee of effortless success, but it's a recognition that the Almighty Creator, in His infinite wisdom, holds a grand design, a tapestry woven with threads of both light and shadow. So we may not see the intricate patterns, the hidden connections that bind each event to the next. We may not even understand the purpose of the detours in our life, nor we probably don't even understand the unexpected twists and turns. But we must trust that within the chaos there is order. Trust that even in the darkest moments, a glimmer of hope persists. So let go of the need to control. Let go of the need to micromanage every detail of your life. Release the anxieties that grip your heart, the fears that clouds your vision. Now embrace the unknown with open arms, my friends, knowing that every step, every challenge, every stumble is a part of a larger unfolding story. The ending is not yet written, but the author, the Almighty Creator, who's the author of your life Himself, is the master storyteller. And in the final chapter of your life, that will be one of beauty, one of resilience, and one of triumph. So trust that everything will work out in the end. So in closing, my friends, trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and that the journey in all its twists and turns is leading you to a place of peace, of purpose, and of fulfillment. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.